This is a situation that many of us face on a daily basis. I'm not talking about the queue, that's a given, but I'm talking about the young kids on the bike a little touch further up on the left. They want to cross the road, and what's the best thing to do to help them? If the traffic was flowing, that would be easy. You'd be better off just continuing, getting past and letting them pick the safe gap. But it gets a little more complicated when there's a queue about. I'm assessing how far the queue's going to go because I don't want to block their area, so I hold back, but this is where it becomes dangerous. Even without me beckoning or flashing, me holding back here is really telling these kids to cross. But luckily in this situation they seem to take effective observation. Only just, I will add. So leaving a better view for anyone crossing the road is a help. Perhaps the black car in front of me could have waited where I am. And that would have helped the kids' view of the oncoming traffic, making the situation a little safer. I did also have my window down, ready to warn the kids if there was anything that was coming the other way that they didn't see. It's one of my biggest nightmares. Allowing someone to cross the road you're trying to help out, and then they get hit.